আমাদের ক্যালেন্ডার টাইম ফিনিশ। এখন আমরা ক্লাসে যাব।
Like Asperger's syndrome.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Yes.
Now, probably not diagnosed. All of
Asperger's syndrome. Child has dyspraxia. Problem की movement. Yes. Hyperactive.
Yeah.
Yes.
He's asking, do you want to go? Bhakti madam, group में जाना है, group में ये करो। Actually, he is not feeling well.
Okay. For the sound problem, like some children are sensitive sound. I recommend they have headphone, and then they have the expensive headphone which cover the ear.
Okay.
So we use that over there, and we cut the wire. So when the child is like too much sound, we put the headphone on. It goes down. It helps. Like the normal headphone, then the big headphone, which cover the ear covering that one. It really works. Yes, for all children who have the sound problem, the sensitivity to sound. Headphone, the covering which cover the ear, that.
When I wear the
They cut the wire. Just that. Yes.
Yusuf, blue, match. Very good. Red, match. Green, match. Excellent job. Give me 5.
No, he needs
Yusuf, give me 5.
he needs a prompter behind him.
Yeah. Prompt পিছনে একটা রাখতে হবে
না ওই যে চুলকাচ্ছে ওর একটা হচ্ছে যে কোনো কিছু থাকলে ওইটা না উঠানো পর্যন্ত ইয়া হয় ইউসুফ তামিনা ইউসুফ very good do this good job shake it hurry up good
See, the placement of the desk is such that he would like to move it around to make sound. He likes the sound. So basically, activities for him should be more sound based. He likes the sound. See, he doesn't like this. He likes the sound. See that? Sound. It falls, it makes sound. The desk moves, it makes sound. So he likes sound. So activities for him. It's probably people. More people. Very true. Yes. No, but maybe he likes sound.
okay
It's also the fan, the people all around.
very good wow চলো পিছনে পিছনে আসো
He's barber and he can write.
Okay, that's good. That means, but can he read?
Yeah.
He can read. So that is a very good thing. You can use stories. You can use social stories. Like if you try to teach him something advanced, some kind of concept, so use social stories. Write down story in clear handwriting or printed computer with cartoon on it, and show. He will understand very well.
চেষ্টা করেছে সামি
Also try to use one language, not to confuse it. Stick to one language.
Conversation
Yes.
in Bengali. So is it okay?
I don't recommend. It's going to be two languages. So I recommend one language. In AFA they just use Hindi or they use English. That's it. Only or only. Only one.
You can say orange. We can
Yes.
use orange in Bangla Kamala.
Yes.
It's necessary to change it to Kamala.
Kamala is very difficult to pronounce. Orange, but orange is more.
Okay, then what you do is, like orange is English word. So for all the fruit use English word. Everyone knows orange is orange. So for all the fruit use the food items use English. Everyone understand. Cola, chips, common. Use English then.
Sami, do this. Very good.
Instructions are not clear. So that's why I recommend the whole work system dabba. The box with the markers. So that's why it's taking time. So instructions are not clear. He's not understanding speech, obviously.
Sami,
So what to do?
So either use instructions with the written instruction if he can read, like 1, 2, 3. If he can't read, then use the dipper box.
উনি বলছে বক্সের ভিতরে আপনি যখন হোল করে দিবেন ওটাকে মার্কার দিয়ে আউটলাইন করে দিবেন দেন আপনি যখন ইনস্ট্রাকশন দিবেন সে বুঝবে যে
Automatically pick up. Automatically.
ওটা ওদের জন্য আরো ইজি হবে
But all of these tasks better to have in boxes. You can use shoebox also. Shoebox. Use the river. Cheap, not expensive.
very
Laundry is
nice.
very
All activities must be the physical activity. Left, pick up item. Middle, work with item. Right, finish item. Finish. Concept of finish. Like I show in videos. Like that. He has copies. Again, has copy of videos. Like that.
প্রথমে তুমি দাঁড়াও
Very good. Turn around. Excellent. Jump.
For CP, I recommended like the plastic, comes the hand. No, but I think some people who make the artificial limbs also, they also make those things. They make those items and they can use for the strengthening of the walking. You can use.
So she needs